I got this big fan today. I found this online for sale. It's used, but it was like $50. New these things are like $400 for this 42-inch style drum fan, especially with the belt drive and everything. This is, I'm thinking of some kind of a rental type thing at one point in its life. Ended up, I got it home and it worked, but not real well, and pushed some air, but not really enough to do anything. And I kind of looked at the motor, and it was the pulley down there was spinning like crazy. This one was doing nothing anything. So then I decided to take these bolts around here off, take this shroud off, and it was great. And I discovered what the issue was, and found out that the belt. I started looking at the belt, and there was all over here. That was the worst spot. There's cracks all over in this belt. So I ran out to Home Depot, thought they'd have a belt for lawnmower, drill press, something. They didn't have anything. Guy there was said go to an auto store across the street, so I did that, and like $10, I got this belt. In this case, it was a 42-inch belt for this fan. I changed the belt out, put the grate back on, and it seems to work perfect now. Throw that belt out. I'm gonna turn this thing on. It's got 2 speeds. That's the lowest speed. And this is high.